Well, there has also been a big push by Silicon Valley to move into the very large and very lucrative healthcare industry. Deirdre Boza has that angle tonight.
This year, more than 20 million Americans are predicted to be using smartwatches. Many of them will be using them for more than just telling the time. They'll be tracking how many steps taken, how many calories burned, and resting heart rate. But could a smartwatch one day save your life? Apple is trying to find out. The tech giant is teaming up with Stanford Medicine for a first-of-its-kind research study that will use the Apple Watch to detect irregular heart rhythm that could lead to a stroke. And it's not just Apple. Other big tech companies like Alphabet, Amazon, and Facebook are getting involved in efforts to remake the healthcare industry. A few reasons tech is moving into this space. One, it is a $3 trillion industry in the United States. Two, it's ripe for innovation and disruption. And three, these companies know consumers, and they increasingly have the scale, data, and reach to deliver. In recent years, their involvement in the healthcare industry has surged. According to CB Insights, participation in healthcare equity deals by the 10 largest U.S. tech companies has increased tenfold in the last 5 years to nearly $3 billion last year. Some of those deals include Amazon's participation in a financing round for Grail, a cancer detection startup. Apple acquired sleep tracking company Beddit, and Alphabet bought Synosis, a health monitoring startup. Their efforts are much bigger than just those deals, though. Alphabet has been expanding Verily, its unit entirely dedicated to life sciences. Apple has HealthKit, while Amazon is more quietly moving in for the moment, and Facebook is making it easier for pharma companies to advertise. Increasingly, healthcare executives themselves are thinking about disruption and innovation in terms of technology. Biogen CEO says that the biotech industry needs to take the lead in changes, be what he calls the Tesla of the industry, and set new models.
We need to bring this industry closer to the consumer, closer to the patients. We are meant to provide support to the patient who are sick, not to take advantage of those.
Meanwhile, some analysts say the road ahead for tech and healthcare won't be without bumps as they learn to understand regulatory procedures and patient-clinician relationships. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Deirdre Boza, San Francisco.